guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, unbox my microwave with me. I just got a new microwave. Yeah, it's unboxing time. Let me first of all eat my corn first. I bought some roasted corn. Scam Frost is the name of the microwave. Well, I've not really used this product before. I've used iSense, I've used K-Wood microwave before, yeah, but this one I've not really used it before. This is my first time, so it's always good to try new things, right? So let's unbox. Oh my God. How am I going to carry this?
Taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be.
Guys,
Won't
yes,
stop
this.
till I see what I want to see.
Instruction, papers, warranty, all of that. It actually has 2 years warranty.
I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll make a difference like that. Even if it don't happen fast.
It's so cute. I just like the color.
There's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. Ooh, I believe in what I feel. I won't
Just go and plug it now. guys, they've already tested it here, but yes, guys, if you have used this product before, just drop it in the comment section. Let me know, is it working fine? Is it okay? You know, just drop it in the comment section, because I've not really used this product. I've not really used this product. And I actually bought it for 165,000 naira. 165,000 naira. Let me show you guys. It's all written here in the receipt. Can you see that?
I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be.
So guys, here is this.
Till I see what I want to see.
Can you see this?
There's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until
I can actually warm my food, and for example, I want to grill some chicken. I can also use it for it. Yeah, that's what it has. So guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Please do well to subscribe, like, share, and drop your comments in the comment section. Bye.
I'm picking up books to get inside the head.